Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to grow cat grass. First, gather your essential supplies: cat grass seeds, a shallow pot with drainage, and some good quality potting soil. Selecting organic seeds is a great choice for your feline friend's health. Make sure your pot is not too deep. About 2 to 3 inches is perfect, and those drainage holes are crucial to prevent waterlogging. Now, let's get those seeds planted. Fill your chosen pot with potting soil, leaving about 1/2 inch of space from the top rim. Next, sprinkle your cat grass seeds evenly over the soil surface. Try not to make them too dense. Finally, cover the seeds with a very thin layer of soil, roughly 1/4 inch deep, just enough to tuck them in. Proper watering and light are key for successful growth. After planting, water your seeds gently, ensuring the soil is consistently moist but not soggy. Find a sunny spot for your pot where it can receive about 4 to 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. To help germination, you can loosely cover the pot with plastic wrap until you see the first tiny sprouts emerge. Your cat grass should be ready to harvest when it's about 4 to 6 inches tall, usually within 7 to 10 days. To harvest, simply snip the blades about 1 inch above the soil line. This allows the grass to regrow for multiple harvests, giving your cat a continuous supply of fresh greens. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.